which is a very popular RDF and RDF management API and system. That's the basis that we're plugging in here. This also comes in a layered architecture. There are triple stores at the very low level, which can be replaced by other components. Then there are so-called sail layers, which are basically access layers to the linked data, to the RDF data. And then on top of that, we are interacting with this open framework to get to the data and store our data. There are several ways on how to configure this data backend. A local, the most simple way, would be to access a Sesame native store, which is the built-in, very simple, hard disk-based storage of Sesame OpenRDF. The same thing can happen locally with different databases, different triple stores on the lowest level. Not the Sesame native store, but for example, OLIM or others. Then another possibility to set this whole thing up is in a more clearly separated way, separating the tiers in an architectural, clearer fashion by using so-called remote repositories. Now, a repository, basically, whether local or remote, basically is the component that provides the database. A remote repository would be a database running in a separate process on the same machine or some other server, while a local repository is a database process started within the information workbench.